this is really nicely packaged actually. So we have got a display stand. That's cool. Comes with a toolkit. So let's have a look. Oh, I opened that badly, didn't I? Which I'm guessing that's the charger, and then we've also got a manual. So. Comes with the hilt, of course, which actually looks really durable and nice quality. And then finally we've got the blade. Wow, oh, that's huge. So super easy to assemble. I've already done a couple of screws, but I'm just going to show you now. Just take one of the little screws out of the toolkit. There's 5 in total. Pop it into the holes at the back of the hilt. Take your Allen key and just tighten it up. Like that. Easy.